Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Enigma and you're watching Enigma Inc. So let us do Capricorn quick reads. Now this is going to be October quick reading. Let's see extra messages for you. So as usual I say, this is a general reading. Take what resonates, leave what does not. For personal readings and more accuracy, you can book me on WhatsApp or Instagram me. Details are given below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Also follow me on Instagram if you want to join my manifestation workshop, in which I'm going to teach you thousands of switch words, energy circles and prayers for your wish fulfillment, wealth multipliers, and how to do cleansing and cord cutting and lot of law of attraction tips that you can use in handy anytime, and they work all the time. So yeah, these are tried and tested ones, so you can totally rely on it. And this is in a very economical price, so starting in November 1. So all those who want to join in this fun workshop can join in, and you can WhatsApp me or Instagram me for that. Also, horoscopes are available. Some short horoscopes are available on daily basis as well on my Instagram. Some healing crystals and all of those things, so do check it out. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Ooh, wow, amazing cards right in the beginning. So Capricorn, I feel like you're bored. Okay, you want someone to love you, to care for you, to show you love. Some kind of deep love. You want deep love. You're done with this. You have a lot of people interested in you, but you're done with shallow stuff. You're done with superficial things, money and all. You are looking for deep love, depth. So your perception has changed about love. So earlier you were like a little immature, like you may be expecting a person with high standards. Like standards means like you were setting a very high criteria to choose a person, but not every good looking person is good from inside. So you've understood that, and now you're looking for deep connection, someone who can provide you with love, stability, security, long-term marriage and soulmate connection. You're looking for deep connection of souls. So you've understood a lot of things. Your perception has changed. You become more stable, secure, grounded and in love with yourself. So yeah, I see like Capricorn, you're seeing here and there, but you have not found anyone. Like you're like, where is it? I've been searching for it. Where will I get it? Where will I get my love? You just need to have patience and keep on working on whatever you're doing. So Capricorn, right now money is going to help you find one. I don't know how, but it's going to happen through your career, through working for your goals, being serious in life and setting standards for yourself, even in career or in love. So with a little bit more healing, this is a time where you really need to heal yourself, be in your self-love zone, be in your single zone, enjoy your life, enjoy yourself, enjoy every part of your body, of your life, and the people around you who are there to love you. Just spread love. So I feel like right now this is a phase of healing, and once it's done, you will see someone. I do see like in this process you will find some narcissist also, so you will be able to judge those people. Okay, and what else? Someone from the past may also try to reach out to you and get you back because of the energy you will be exuding, because they will be jealous of your growth and they will be wanting to be a part of it. But you're completely letting the past completely go, because this was deceptive, this was narcissistic past, and you were not interested in this person anymore, which is very good. You left the situation, Capricorn. You're moving on for new love opportunities, and you're also traveling. Traveling is going to really help you find one. And I do see a very, very, very smooth connection coming in. This person is going to be, you may have a financial connection with this person initially. Okay, this is how this person will see you, meet you, and then there will be a stable communication happening after that. They are someone who is, once they give in to something, they are going to be loyal. This is not a person who will make you dream or fantasize about things, who'll give you or who'll sell you fake dreams and then walk away. This is not that person. So they're going to be there for you. Lots of love messages will be coming from them. And I do see roses also, flowers also. This will be like a unicorn love, love of your dreams, you know. This person is like that. And they are someone who's an entrepreneur, who's at a very high position, okay. This person is someone who cannot be messed up with, because this is a very smart, intelligent leadership person. Aries probably, and they will be having a huge drive. I also see like there may be more than one people interested in you, maybe 4 people, you never know, but you're just not looking at you know, you're just not accepting it, you're avoiding everything. So you need to just you know, have fun and talk to few people until you realize who is the perfect one, okay. Then you can just push away the rest and focus on one. So I see like there will be a lot of options in love coming towards you, and a lot of attraction, because you will be exuding all the love, all the attractiveness, everything, intelligence also. So I do see one at your workplace as well, one may be your boss. But the fact that Capricorn, you're still holding on, or you're still expecting a past person to be changed, okay, somewhere you had that in your mind, so you have to remove it, because past is past. Okay, you left that person for a reason, so you need to know this. So Nine of Swords is telling me that you are going to, you know, there's this sad energy here. So Capricorn, you are releasing this energy, or you need to really release this energy to have this, because right now the cards are telling me to heal yourself. Okay, stop obsessing over someone or something from the past. Heal yourself. This is a phase where you need to really heal, travel, go out on a vacation, have fun. You know, that's when you're going to really come out of that daydreaming energy. So you're kind of daydreaming a lot, like, I want a person like this, I want a person like that, I want love, I want true love, I want marriage. This is not going to happen like that. You just have to do something about yourself. You need to make changes in your own life. You need to just go out, do something different, unusual, that's very different from your usual stuff. Do something different, okay. This is gonna excite you, this is gonna make you happy. And I do see many suitors are going to be very attracted to you, so you will know exactly who you need to give your attention and time and energy to. So I see like there's someone at your workplace, or with someone who you have a financial relation. It's gonna grow very gradually. It's gonna be like slow and steady wins the race kind of situation. You both will be powerful in your own areas, and that's why you guys will gel at the same time. It's gonna be a gradual, slow process, so don't panic, okay. In that case, you will have different point of view, they will have different point of view, but your goals are same, okay. Somewhere the opinions need to have, or need to be balanced, or need to be, you know, there should be some sort of compromise here. You are leaving a situation that was not helping you in the past, so leave it, because you're going to meet someone new who's gonna excite you again. And this is gonna be an exciting, a very exciting energy. All right. I see like your person is going to be very fiery, very attractive, and at the same time very stable and very rich. So let's see the love messages for you. Free yourself. You need to see, these are the cards that I'm telling me that you're still not over that narcissist or the narcissistic past. Okay, you need to just get out of it. Maybe children were responsible, maybe children were involved, that is why, but you need to release, or you need to spend time with children, or your partner cheated on you because of the children they had. The chemistry is still there, just come out of that. And I feel like there's a new person that's reaching out to you with a lot of chemistry. This person could be someone who has children, or who is teaching. So very soon you've separated with the wrong person, and you're going to meet with a nice person. Right now you haven't met this person, so definitely, as I said, you're going to meet your soulmate. It's going to be a lot of flirting, happy energy, exciting energy. What else do I have here, Capricorn? Very nice, soothing cards. Feel very good doing this reading. A year from now, so you may have to have patience. As I told you, this is a time for you to heal yourself, okay. Have patience, everything's gonna fall in place, but you need to do things that I have told you to do. Unlikely that you're going to meet the person right away, or you're expecting your current person to change. No, if they're not behaving properly, they will never behave properly with you. All right. the situation is going to improve. So I do see your situation right now is not in a situation where you can find your mate. You just need to be in love with yourself so that you are more open to love energy later on. So it's going to happen later on. So right now just work on yourself. Okay, that's the energy that you're exuding. So Aries to Pisces, let's see energies they're feeling towards you. Aries, please. Aries seeing you as someone who's very different from who you were before. This person is smitten. Taurus wants to help you, be there for you. Maybe this is a friend of yours. Gemini is seeing you as someone who is exciting, who is a wish fulfillment, but they have something like because you're not opening up to this Gemini. Cancer person is moving on, maybe because they've tried hard and it's not working. You don't like them. Leo person sees a very exciting, happy. They feel like a kid with you. You guys enjoy like kids. Virgo sees marriage with you. Libra is keeping an eye on you. Like they're always wondering what is this person, what is this Capricorn doing. Okay, so they're always intrigued by you. Scorpio is not ready to commit right now but wants to have fun. Sagittarius already falling in love with you or will. Okay, Capricorn is going to make efforts towards you if they have done something or messed something up. Aquarius is not willing to work on this connection, maybe because they're more concerned about their career, their money. Pisces is taking slow move towards you, slow steps towards you. This person is attracted but slow steps, younger energy. So that's about it, Capricorn. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell and comment down below. Let me know how this resonated. Till then, I will see you next time in most videos. Bye.